friends, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got a designer dupe to share with you. I'm going to show you how you can make these really cute fall and Halloween pillows just using Fabric Mod Podge, a store-bought pillow, and some t-shirt knit fabric. Now I got fabric at the fabric store, but this is a great project if you want to upcycle some thrift store t-shirts or some old t-shirts in your closet. All right, let's get started on this cute Halloween decor craft. I'm starting with some store-bought pillows that were 10 bucks, and I'm gonna create a pattern just with some scrap paper. I'm cutting out the ghost shape here. I'm doing a ghost, a pumpkin, and a bat, but you can do any shapes that you want, and these work really for any season. For the dark pillow, I'm using some tailor's chalk to mark off the pattern, and I'll use a Sharpie for the light ones. Now I'm using knit fabric here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the knit fabric into some strips and then into squares. And these are about 1 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch. And I'm doing this for all my different colors. For this project, I'm using Fabric Mod Podge. That's very important. This is gonna allow the fabric to stick to the fabric. You see, I just wrapped that fabric around a pencil end. I'm dipping it into the Fabric Mod Podge, and then I'm gonna place that right along the chalked line. And I'm going to continue to do this until the whole pillow is filled in. And you can see that I'm putting my pieces right next to the piece that I laid down before. Now for the center section where the eyes are, I'm gonna go in with my dark black color, again, dipping it into the Mod Podge, pushing it right up against one of the white ones there and filling in that whole eye space. This is kind of like that old kindergarten craft with tissue paper. So you'll wrap your little piece of fabric around your pencil, dip it in, and then press it onto the pillow. And I like to give the pencil a little twist when I'm doing it, just a little twist and a push down to really make sure those are firm. And then you can see how cute these turn out. All right, let's do our pumpkin. Pumpkin's the same technique, only I'm just using a Sharpie. I'm starting by going around first on that Sharpie line, filling in with my orange pieces, and then I'll continue in with some green pieces for leaves. And then I'll do the stem in a dark brown color. Next, I'll fill in the entire pumpkin. You could add a little jack-o'-lantern face here if you wanted to. And just keep adding all of your pieces until your design is filled in. Once your design is dry after about 2 hours, you can go in with some scissors and trim away any extras. Now for the bat, it was a little bit harder because it was very detailed. So I went ahead and marked it onto my pillow, and I did that same technique of adding the different pieces of fabric all along the edge and then filling in the center. Once I was finished with that and all completely glued down and dried, I did go in with my scissors and I really cut those curves. So don't be afraid to go in and give your project a good trim in order for your design element to really show through. If I had left this bat without it being trimmed, it didn't really look much like a bat. But once I had all of those curves cut in, it really took a great shape. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week.